Irises, with their graceful blooms, have long been admired for their beauty and charm. Their vibrant colors captivate gardeners everywhere, making them a favorite in many landscapes. These flowers bring a touch of elegance to any garden, transforming ordinary spaces into extraordinary displays. From the classic bearded iris, known for its ruffled petals, to the delicate Siberian iris with its slender leaves, there's a variety for every taste and preference. Irises boast a wide array of colors, including shades of purple, blue, yellow, white, and even brown, offering endless possibilities for garden design. These flowers thrive in sunny locations and well-drained soil, making them relatively easy to grow with the right conditions. With proper care, they reward gardeners with abundant blooms year after year, creating a stunning visual impact. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting, irises are a wonderful addition to any garden, offering both beauty and resilience. Join me as we delve into the world of irises and learn the secrets to their successful cultivation, ensuring your garden flourishes with these magnificent flowers. From planting to dividing and everything in between, this guide will equip you with the knowledge to grow healthy and vibrant irises, making your gardening journey a rewarding experience. Let's turn your garden into a haven of these stunning flowers, where the allure of irises can be enjoyed by all. Choosing the right location is crucial for healthy iris growth. Irises thrive in full sun, needing at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. A south-facing location in your garden is ideal. Well-drained soil is equally important. Irises are susceptible to root rot in waterlogged conditions. Amend heavy clay soil with sand or compost to improve drainage. When selecting a spot for your irises, ensure good air circulation. This helps prevent fungal diseases. Avoid planting them too close to trees or shrubs, as they will compete for moisture and nutrients. By carefully considering these factors, you can provide the optimal environment for your irises to flourish. The best time to plant irises is in late summer or early fall. This allows the rhizomes, the underground stems of the plant, to establish themselves before winter. When planting iris rhizomes, dig a shallow hole about 3 inches deep. The rhizome should be planted horizontally with the top exposed above the soil line. Space the rhizomes 12 to 18 inches apart, depending on the variety. This spacing allows for adequate air circulation and prevents overcrowding. After planting, water the irises thoroughly to settle the soil around the rhizomes. With proper planting techniques, your irises will reward you with a spectacular display of blooms. Irises prefer moderate watering. Water them deeply but infrequently, allowing the soil to dry out slightly between waterings. Avoid overwatering as it can lead to root rot. Fertilize your irises after they have finished blooming. Use a low nitrogen, high phosphorus fertilizer to promote strong root development. Use a low nitrogen, high phosphorus fertilizer to promote abundant blooms the following year. Apply the fertilizer around the base of the plant, avoiding contact with the leaves. Water the fertilizer in well to ensure it reaches the roots. By providing the right amount of water and nutrients, you can help your irises thrive and produce stunning blooms. Pests and diseases. Protecting your irises. Irises are generally pest and disease resistant, but it's essential to be aware of potential threats that can affect their health and beauty. One common pest is the iris borer, whose larvae tunnel into the rhizomes, causing significant damage if left unchecked. Inspect your irises regularly for signs of infestation, such as wilting leaves, holes in the rhizomes, or other unusual symptoms. If you detect borers, promptly remove and destroy the affected rhizomes to prevent the spread of these pests. Another concern is leaf spot, a fungal disease that causes unsightly brown spots on the leaves, which can weaken the plant over time. To prevent leaf spot, Ensure good air circulation around your irises by spacing them properly and avoid overhead watering, which can promote fungal growth. If your irises do develop leaf spot, remove and destroy the affected leaves immediately to prevent the disease from spreading. By taking prompt and consistent action, you can keep your irises healthy, vibrant, and free from pests and diseases, ensuring a beautiful garden display. Dividing irises, sharing the beauty. Irises are not just beautiful, they are a symbol of elegance and grace in any garden. Over time, iris clumps can become overcrowded, leading to reduced flowering. This overcrowding can stifle their growth and diminish their vibrant display. Dividing irises every 3 to 4 years helps maintain their vigor and encourages more abundant blooms. This simple act of care ensures that your garden remains lively and colorful. The best time to divide irises is in late summer or early fall, after they have finished blooming. This timing allows the plants to recover and establish themselves before the next growing season. Carefully dig up the entire clump, being careful not to damage the rhizomes. The rhizomes are the heart of the plant, and handling them gently is crucial. Using a sharp knife, divide the clump into smaller sections, each containing at least one healthy fan of leaves. This ensures that each new section has the potential to thrive. Discard any old or diseased rhizomes. Removing these ensures that only the healthiest parts of the plant are replanted. Replant the divided sections as described in Section 3. Proper replanting techniques are essential for the irises to establish well in their new spots. Dividing irises not only benefits the plants, but also allows you to share these beautiful flowers with friends and family. It's a wonderful way to spread joy and enhance the beauty of multiple gardens. Companion planting, creating a harmonious garden. Companion planting is the art of growing different plant species together for mutual benefit. Certain plants can enhance the growth of irises, while others may attract beneficial insects that help control pests. Good companion plants for irises include lavender, yarrow, and salvia. These plants attract pollinators and add visual interest to the garden. Avoid planting irises near shallow-rooted plants, as they may compete for nutrients. By carefully selecting companion plants, you can create a harmonious garden that benefits all the plants involved. Conclusion: enjoying the splendor of irises. Irises are a rewarding addition to any garden, bringing elegance and vibrant color to the landscape. By following these planting, caring, and dividing tips, you can ensure your irises thrive for years to come. Remember to plant them in a sunny location with well-drained soil, water them moderately, and fertilize them after blooming. Be vigilant about pests and diseases, and divide your irises every few years to maintain their vigor. With a little care and attention, your irises will reward you with an abundance of stunning blooms, bringing joy and beauty to your garden for seasons to come.